thing I think you have seen in movies and all, especially the movies where you have submarines and all. So in submarine you see a person will be is watching from one end, and he'll be seeing what is happening on the other side. That means if you are in a submarine, you will be inside the water, and with the help of this periscope you will be able to see what is going on above the water. So this periscope, it works under this law of multi-reflection. So usually what happens, there is a mirror out here at this angle, and there is also another mirror out here. So these mirrors are kept at an angle of 45 degree. So whenever I am viewing through this periscope, my reflection will first strike this mirror, and it will move the upper side, and after again striking here, my view will be reflected this way. So once my view passes this way, light is able to come. Once the light is able to come, like anything which I am seeing out here, the light is able to reflect that thing, and the reflection of light will be moving out here, and again after reflecting in this mirror, it will come here and it will reflect out here, and it is able to I am able to see what is going on. So the main thing out here we need to remember is the reflection of light. Suppose if I am seeing a tree out here, there's a tree out here. So light first, it strikes the object, the tree, and it will reflect and pass through out here. Once it passes through, it will reflect in this mirror, and it will move downward, and it will again reflect in this mirror, and it will move towards my eye. So this is how multi-reflection takes place. Now another thing we need to see, multi-reflection may also lead to the formation of multi-images. Let us demonstrate that. Okay, so sometimes, in some cases, multi-reflection also leads to the formation of multi-images. So this kind of multi-images you usually observe in a barber shop. So once you go to the barber shop, you will be seeing mirror will be on both the side of the wall. So that time, when you see in one of the mirror, you will be seeing the reflection of your backside, and again inside that mirror you will be seeing other image. So next time while you are going to a barber shop, if you have mirror on both sides, there you will be able to see multi-reflection out there. So inside that multi-reflection, you will also be seeing multi-images out here. So this is multi-images formed because of multi-reflection. Now there is a formula with the help of which we can calculate the number of images. So the formula is something like this: number of images is equal to 360 divided by x minus 1, where if this x, so what does this x stands for? X stands for the angle between the two mirrors. So usually for multi images to form, more multi reflection is required. So usually two mirrors are required. So the angle between those two mirrors will determine. So suppose if the angle between the two mirrors is suppose 90, if x is 90, then we are going to see 360 divided by 90. So 0, 0, 9 for that is so 3 images. So with the help of this calculation, you see 3 images will be formed. So next one is your kaleidoscope. So we first discussed about periscope. Now we'll be talking about is kaleidoscope. So this kaleidoscope, it's a very interesting instrument. So usually when we last year in 2019 we had science exhibition out there, so we kept a kaleidoscope out there. So usually kaleidoscope is made with your plane mirror. So 3 mirror, the shape of a mirror should be something like this. So this kind of mirror, 3 mirrors are taken, and with the help of that a pyramid kind of thing is created, something like this. something like this. So a hole is made and other side is covered with a sometimes transparent kind of material or translucent kind of material, where only light is able to come in, and those kind of paper is taken. So you put a hole, make a hole out here. So inside this you add some beads, beautiful color beads inside, and once you do that, and once you absorb those beads from this hole, you will be seeing various images formed inside this instrument. So that's why kaleidoscope shows us what will happen when multi images are formed because of multi reflection. So the the beats will be in their random position, but the image which we see is very beautiful. That's how kaleidoscopes work. Then we have a very unique topic, that is dispersion of light. Dispersion of sunlight. So what usually happens in dispersion of sunlight is our normal white light. So when a normal white light that comes from the sun, when it passes through any object, let us say a prism. So what will happen whenever this white light passes through prism? This white light is broken down into 7 different colors. This is known as dispersion of light. So 7 different colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So your normal white light, when it passes through a prism, it breaks into 7 different colors. So this gives rise to your dispersion of light. Now again, if this 7 different color it passes through another prism, then you will be surprised to know that again these 7 different colors, it will be combining together and they will be forming a single white light. So this is known as your dispersion of light. So the phenomenon of white light splitting into constituent color is called dispersion, and the band of color is known as spectrum. So this 7 band of colors, V, I, B, G, Y, O, R, this is the thing you need to remember: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So this is known as your spectrum. So with this we completed half of the chapter. Next stop will be continuing the bit portion. Will be the slight portion left, will be continuing that in the upcoming class. Thank you.